Our world has changed, and I honestly don't know if it's ever going to be back to what it was before. But what I do know is that today we're spending nearly all of our days and nights inside of our homes, and our furniture never had more significance than now. One of the most important purchases, even before this crisis came about, was our mattress. Nearly 70% of Americans suffered with sleep issues prior to COVID-19. I would bet anything that number is way higher since the virus came into our world. It's a very, very stressful time in our lives, and we all know stress affects our ability to sleep. As a cruelty-free designer focused on optimal health and ethics, it's a challenge to find products that meet all of my standards. So when it comes to mattresses, the perfect solution for me and my clients is a vegan mattress. Inside this box is the Alexander Signature Hybrid Mattress from Nest Bedding, and it's vegan. It's non-animal based, it's got no down feathers, wool, or leather. So besides being super comfy and healthy, it's ethical. No animals had to suffer for its making, which is great, and it's a healthy bed because it doesn't contain the large amounts of poisonous chemicals that materials like wool, leather, and down have. Animal-based materials have to be soaked in strong chemicals and pesticides, or they would become infested with bugs and rot, which is gross. So let's open her up. By the way, the bed comes in a 4-foot box, which is great. So for tight spaces, it's really easy to get in and out of. Not all foam mattresses are equal. What's great about this one is it's vegandesign.org certified and CertiPUR certified, which are fantastic badges that you should always look for them actually when buying a mattress. A CertiPUR certification has a lot of strict guidelines, such as the foam mattress doesn't contain mercury, lead, or formaldehyde, which many other mattresses do. That it doesn't contain ozone depletants, which are chemicals that are released when the foam material is burned during production, which destroys the ozone. That it has low VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. VOCs are chemicals so toxic that the EPA has listed them as one of the top 5 hazards to human health. It's vegandesign.org certified, meaning that Nest Bed honors all living species in the planet. Great stuff. Another feature about the Nest Bed mattress is the zipper top. It can be replaced, and that keeps our planet cleaner. Nest Bed airs out their foam in their factory. This procedure drastically reduces off-gassing, which are the toxic chemicals that get released into the air from a product that are. This mattress is super affordable, non-toxic, non-animal based, and really comfy. Plus, no animals or living beings had to suffer for its making. It's good, positive, happy energy because there's no tragedy attached to it. And I believe, especially at this time in our lives, we could all use some good vibes in our home, don't you think?